Today, I'm going to show you how to reserve on Pop Mart and beat the bot using smart timing tricks. First of all, go ahead and click on the popmart.com website and log into it. If you don't have an account already, you will be going through some CAPTCHA, which is very necessary for the SSL certification. Once you are on the website, as you can see right here, so it's loading for me a little bit. Once you are here, accept the cookies and choose the country. So I'm going to choose this one, accept, and there we go. Now, the Pop Mart, or basically this market itself, are making idols or dolls, as you can see here, and sometimes they do be launching a pre-launch. A pre-launch is simply when a product is created but it is not full sale yet, but you can buy it before it is launched on the market. So you're simply going to reserve it. Now, to do so, you will need first to make your accounts. So it is both on PC and application. They have an application, so make sure to go for it. Here, I'm just simply going to log in using my Google. So you can click on here and sign in with Google. Here, I'm going to continue. I'm going to choose the country. For example, here you can choose whatever country it comes to your mind. Also, you have to accept the terms and condition by clicking here. So I can click like this and simply go ahead and sign in using my Google account or Gmail account. Once we have gone through here, we are going to give them a little bit of access. So as you can see, click on continue. And once you have done the steps, all it is need to do is to go back to the account. It should be created. Now, as you can see here, we have the account and we have here profile, etc. Now, if you want to go and find if there is any product that is pre-launched, you're simply going to click on new featured. Click on new arrivals, and here, as you can see, you will find products that are basically going to be relaunched or pre-launched. So here, all that is need to be done is to simply click on notify me. This will simply send you a notification whenever this product is launched. They will send you a notification on your browser or on your PC, so you can know, so you can come back here and simply buy it for yourself and be one of the first people that comes by it and buys it. So that's how you can reserve on Pop Mart faster than the bots and increase your chances of getting your favorite collectibles.